If you want to use your microSD card and put it into Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you need to do is you need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box, and then take a look at the side of the Galaxy Tab A11 in order to find the tray. And over here we have this hole inside the tray, and we need to insert the eject tool into this hole. There we go. And just push it down with a little bit of force in order to pop out the tray. And then of course use your fingernails in order to completely remove the tray from the tablet. There we go. So in my case I have the LTE version, which also includes the not only the memory card but also the SIM card slot. But in your case, if you have Wi-Fi version, then most likely you can only use, well, you definitely can only use the memory card. And we can put it into its slot quite easy. Just make sure that it matches the shape, of course, of the slot. There we go. And we can put it back into the device. You can use up to 2 terabytes of additional storage. So if you have a microSD card that has 2 terabytes at most, then you should be able to use it on this device. And that's pretty much it. So of course, after inserting the memory card, you want to slide the tray back into the device and make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.